Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to compression test this vintage 5.5 that we just dug out. Somebody dug out of a barn somewhere, I would assume. So, since it's been sitting for a long time, I like to put some lubrication inside the cylinders first. I'm just going to use some PB Blaster because that's what I had laying around. Spray a little bit in there. Really work it around. What that's going to do is lubricate the walls and the rings so that nothing gets scratched up. And I can feel it getting looser as I go. Alright, now it feels pretty free. So the next step is we're going to put a spark plug in here. There we go. And make sure the choke is open. And set the throttle to open. And I'm going to use this compression tester. It's just a standard one I picked up at the local automotive parts store. Throw that guy in there. Alright, make sure he's nice and snug. And now I'm going to pull through. If you see here, you'll see this kind of going up as I pull. Looks like 75. Yeah, it looks like about 75 is the best she's going to do. And we're going to let all the pressure out so this goes back to zero. It's important to remember to do that. Mine leaks a little bit, so it's not that critical, but certainly qualifies as more professional if you do it the right way. Same thing on the bottom. Alright, back to zero. Alright, this guy went up to looks like 83 maybe. $83 minus 75 is more than 5. In fact, it's 8. And we'd like it to be within 5 psi top and bottom. And ideally, I like mine to be within like 1 or 2 if I'm going to leave the motor assembled to sell. And I'm sure a lot of people would use this motor even though it's off that much because it's so old. It hasn't been running so long. But I'm going to take it apart anyway because my customers seem to prefer to buy all the internal pieces rather than the block as a whole. So there you have it. That's how you compression test your Seahorse 5.5. If you need any parts, check out theoutboardguy.com. Have a great day.